Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. Today we are going to make delicious chicken stew, and you can enjoy with rice, kenke, yam, anything you prefer to use your stew to eat. Please, this is the ingredients you need. You need chicken, hard one or soft one. You need the oil, onions, fresh pepper, ginger, garlic, tomatoes and carrot, tomato paste, curry powder, salt, nutmeg, minced chicken seasoning, Adobo, Rosemary, Anise Seeds, bay leaves, Thyme, and shrimps Maggi cube or tablet or bouillon. We are going to blend fresh pepper, ginger, garlic, and you add your bay leaves, rosemary, thyme, all those things, you add it together. And you add small water to it, not too much, small water. Blend it until smooth. And pour into a bowl. And take 3 onions, cut it into pieces. Also add small water to it, blend it until smooth. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it and press notification bell there. And you pour into a bowl. Cut the tomatoes into 2, remove the seeds, and blend until smooth. Please don't add water to blend the tomatoes, please. Pour into a bowl. Slice the onions. Put into a bowl. Cut your carrots. You can cut any shape you want. And everything is ready. Let's start. Put your chicken into a deep saucepan. You are going to use it. Add 4 tablespoons blended ginger tins to it. Add 1.5 tablespoons blended onions. You add 1 tablespoon Adobo, 1 tablespoon minced chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon curry powder, a pinch of salt, and you mix it. Add small water to it to mix it because we are going to steam it. Please like, follow and share my Facebook page to your friends, and set your fire on. Cover it, let's steam for 10 to 15 minutes, but you should open and stir it small. Yeah, that's what I'm doing it. Do the same and your chicken will get good taste. And you add shrimps Maggi tablets, just one, but I forgot I supposed to add it the time I'm adding the spices. The chicken is ready, no blood inside. You can eat it now, and you take it out. don't leave in the water because you are going to fry it, otherwise you burn your kitchen. So remove it and let the water swim. You know why I'm doing this? Because I want to, if I finish I'm cleaning it, it's very easy for me. Add your oil and when oil is hot, you start frying your chicken until golden brown. Please don't forget to like my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the notification bell there. Please, and comment. Leave your comments. And you should turn the other side to fry nicely. And you see how it's look? It's ready, and I'm taking it out. Take it nicely like this, and don't change the oil. That oil we are going to make a stew. You add your sliced onions, you stir it, add your tomato paste and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add your blended ginger things also to it, and you stir it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And you add your blended onions also to it. You stir it and you leave it for 2 minutes time. You come and stir it again. After 4 minutes, you add different things to it, please. Add the blended fresh tomato to it. You stir also. But remember, every 2 minutes you should come and stir your stew, otherwise it will burn and you cannot eat. Every 2 minutes until you can see your stew is ready to eat. Now you can lower your heat small, not too high, not too low, small. Yeah, and you stir it 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes you come and stir it. Every 2 minutes you come and stir it. Add all your spices to it. Adobo, mixed chicken seasoning, curry powder, shrimp, Maggi tablet. I use the 2. Nutmeg, and you mix it. You stir it nicely. And do you know something? This stew you can use for your jollof rice, you can use for your garofuto, etc. The rest you can store on your deep freezer. And now you can lower the heat and you stir it. Every 2 minutes you come and check it is going good, and you stir it. So the time you see all the water is out, and when you open it, you can see the oil cannot spread anywhere. That means your stew is ready. Please don't forget to like my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the notification bell there, and leave your comment, please. And I thank my old subscribers. God bless you. And you add your chicken, you mix it. The oil is too much, so you can remove some from top. You can take some, add the carrots, but don't let overcooked. And your chicken stew is ready to serve. and you mix it for 1 to 2 minutes and remove it. Check how delicious it looks. Enjoy! Thanks for watching Mayu Catering Services.